Today I want to show you how you can make a really quick and delicious cabbage salad. This one takes just a couple of minutes to make, as you will see in the video, and it also uses only a couple of ingredients that you probably already have at home. We're gonna start by shredding the cabbage, and here I'm using a knife, but you can also use a mandolin if you prefer. Just make sure to slice it thinly. Next we're gonna make the dressing, and this dressing, as you can see, is really easy to make, and don't worry, it's gonna be a bit watery, but that's just how we want it. We are combining Dijon mustard and honey, and then adding apple cider vinegar, water, and some salt and black pepper, and that's basically it. At this stage you can try and see if you want to add more salt or pepper or any other spice that you prefer, but I like to keep this simple. And that's it. Just mix it all up and enjoy.